Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nell Sasson, and today I'm making some baked ziti. This recipe includes garlic powder, organic penne noodles, 1 onion, fresh rosemary, onion powder, 2 jars of tomato sauce, salt, pepper, dried oregano, ground beef, shredded mozzarella, parsley flakes, and ricotta cheese. First, we will karate chop our onion. Next, drizzle some olive oil in the pot and add your ground beef and diced onions. Once you've added those ingredients, stir the ground beef and onions until brown. Next, add a half a teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of fresh rosemary, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and stir. Now that we have salted boiling water, let's add the whole box of penne noodles and let them boil for 10 to 15 minutes and stir occasionally. Now that all our spices are well combined, let's add our tomato basil pasta sauce and our vodka sauce and stir. Now that our sauce is thickened up, let's add 1 cup of our pasta water to both of the jars, shake them, and add it to the pot. Also, don't forget to add a tablespoon of sugar to the pasta sauce so we can get rid of that sharpness. Now take a large bowl, add the noodles and pasta sauce and stir. Now get a baking dish, grease it with olive oil, and let's add our first layer of ziti. Now let's add a few scoops of ricotta cheese and smear it all over the top of the ziti. After that, let's sprinkle some shredded mozzarella all over the layer. Now it's time for the second layer. Do the same thing you did for the first layer, but don't smear the ricotta cheese this time. For this layer, the ricotta cheese is going to top it all off. Now let's bake this bad boy in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. And for the garnish, let's add some parsley flakes. And here you have it. Also, make sure to let the ziti cool for about 10 minutes. And if you're wondering how to say baked ziti in Spanish, it's ziti de horno. Alright, it's time to try it, and I won't cap. This tastes like the ziti I used to have all the time when I was a kid. During the middle school days on certain nights, we would always just decide to have baked ziti, and it really hit different. But I'm just saying, I love pasta. But this baked ziti right here turned out so cheesy and flavorful, and I definitely recommend making it during these time of nights. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.